Before I get into this video, if you're looking for cheap game keys, check out Instant Gaming. I bought a lot of games from there and they really do have the cheapest prices. Hey, what's up guys, so I'm sure most of you know that Ryzen CPUs can benefit from increasing RAM speed, even those who use an Intel CPU. But the question is, how does that translate to FPS? Or in other words, how much FPS can we get from buying faster RAM? Should you just get the fastest one? Well, I guess it's best to just go find out. Of course, as always, you'll see the specs of the PC used for this test before the benchmarks. Enjoy! So as you probably guessed, I would recommend buying a RAM no slower than 3000 MHz, preferably 3200 MHz, depending on the prices. And of course, just to be clear, this is only if you're planning to get a Ryzen CPU or already have one and are looking to upgrade your RAM. Don't expect this much difference in performance with Intel CPUs. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed. Also, please let me know what you think down in the comment section. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.